I spent more money to get random makeup that I don't even know if I'll like. So I'm gonna open this now. This is my college dorm. It's actually a disaster, but it's fine. It's like my disaster.
Tell them about the inflatable couch that's right behind you.
Oh yeah, there's an inflatable couch behind me that was brought into our room because we wanted more space to sit, but now I feel like there's like ironically less space to sit. But I have this Ipsy bag and I think it looks creepy. What do you think about it, Rachel?
I love it.
You love it? I mean, it feels kind of cheap. Okay, oh, the card. The question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. Isn't that kind of the same thing? Because I mean, if somebody's like stopping you from doing something, you could also phrase that as they're not going to let me do that.
Yeah, let's not have in-depth discussions about the English language, because that just leads to a headache.
Listen, this is my channel, Rachel. Disrupt the system. Smash the status quo. Make some noise. We have an edgelord in this bag.
It's called the resident emo.
I love it. This month's slam bag plus your 5 personalized picks are here to help you stand out from the crowd, create a scene, and express your own unique beauty. Want to color outside the lines? Head over to the Ipsy app for tons of inspo on how to break beauty rules. If I want to break beauty rules, I'll just...
special snowflake.
You don't understand me, Mom. It's not a face. They want me to try out these formulas that these companies totally didn't pay them to sponsor, and I can get 30% cash back, but I don't need mascara right now, so sorry. The first thingy is a brush. Woo! It's another Luxie brush. Like, I feel like they must have like a thing, because I've gotten like 3 of these. But I like this one. It's a pretty green, like grayish bluish color. And it says that it's a 140 detail tapered blender.
What does that even mean?
I feel like this would be good to use for like concealer. Just, ooh, it's soft. EBY Beauty City Limits.
What is it?
It's a Lush eyeshadow.
What color is it?
It says fire and ice on the package. I don't know.
What does that even mean? Open it, open it, open it.
Okay, I'll open it. Here's the package for anyone that cares. And ooh, it's cruelty free. That's good. Go Queen. Okay. Oh, it's a little tiny mini compact. That's cute. Oh, it's like a dark, shimmery kind of like, ooh.
Ooh.
You can't see it on camera, but like in the light, it kind of shifts from like a brownish to like a green, and it's kind of shimmery. What do you think, Rochelle?
It's like gray from over here.
It's like a greenish gray, but like it kind of like in the light changes to a brownish color.
What eye color would look good with that?
I don't know. I feel like...
Because that's like my eye color, is what that color is.
I feel like either like a brown or a green eye color for the most part, because like it would make it stand out more. I don't know, man. What's next? There's Cheek Blush by Douce in the shade 61 RSVP. I don't see anything about it being cruelty-free on that package, so I'll look into that, but it just kind of looks like your typical blush. It's kind of like a pink shade with like brown undertones, which I mean I'm down for. I have like 50 freaking blushes in this palette. I hate that I keep getting these things that don't have like a thing to put them in. Like it's just the pan. Like look at this.
Oh, that's weird.
I keep getting these and I'm like, where am I supposed to put it? We have, ooh, it's like a Trestique mini lip glaze in Mumbai. That's a city, right? Do you know where it is? Mumbai Magenta. Okay. Is it more of like a stick? It says a glaze. Okay, so it's kind of like a lip crayon type thing. Interesting. And for our last product, we have, oh, 111 Skin Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. Gently applied to the delicate area around the eye, used day and night. I don't know, could I use this like under makeup or would that be weird?
Wait, what does it do?
It says it's a Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel.
What does it? That sounds like a face mask kind of thing.
Maybe. It says to use it day and night though, so I'm wondering, is this like the kind of thing?
Oh, I see what you mean.
It says avoid direct contact with eyes.
No, I'm just gonna squirt it in my eye.
Is this okay? So I was researching this 111 skin product to find out if I could figure out more about how it's like actually supposed to be used. Turns out that a size this is 5 milliliters and this for sale right here is 15. This retails for $190.
And we still don't know what it does.
You're right.
So I'm going to be using my super expensive serum to see if it actually helps my skin. So this is what it looks like right now. And it actually comes with a little pump, which is kind of wild, but it's fine. So I'm going to put it like my eyes and like kind of around the lips because that's where it said to use it. So let's see what happens. So like the moisturizer stuff is really nice. Like it really did make my dark circles look less prominent, but like it's also like $190, so no. Rachel, thoughts? Are you even in frame?
Well, yeah, I am.
Okay.
I personally think nothing you put on your face is worth $190 unless it's for like clinical acne.
You heard it from the smartest person that I know because she's a dermatologist. Don't at me.
I just think that like all you have to do is drink water every day and then you won't have to put anything on your face.
What world do you live in?
It's a prank!
Hello world, I couldn't say anything because my roommate was napping, so here's what it looked like when I did my makeup with my stuff. So here's a quick update. I did research on all the products and it turns out that all of them are cruelty free except for perhaps the 111 skin product that I received. They said on their Twitter that they're cruelty free, but somebody commented saying, well, don't you sell in China? Like, doesn't that mean you have to test on animals? They never replied, and I couldn't find like any like more official statement than Twitter about it, so I'd say they're kind of like in an iffy area right now, so keep that in mind. You know, if you were wanting to spend $190 on a skin product. Hello world, this is my makeup after the day. I did like how the eyeshadow applied. It being kind of a more of a cream formula made it like, it was easier to apply more precisely, which I really liked. And the color is really cool. I just wish it stayed more pigmented throughout the day, and it did transfer on my upper lid a little bit, which is kind of like normal, but like... So I mean, it's fun. I'll probably use it again. The blush is just your typical blush. Like, it's nothing special. The color was fine. It wasn't like mind-blowing or anything. Like, just average. I did like the lip crayon because it gave like a slight color to the lips, but I don't think it's showing up very well right now. But it gave a slight color to the lips, so if you wanted something like less extreme, it's really nice. Plus it looked really good with like a lip gloss over it, like you saw in my shots earlier. I've already given my opinion on the skin. The brush is really nice. I've been using it to apply my concealer, even apart from this video. Nice brush, really like it. And what's the one I'm forgetting? The eyeshadow, the blush, the lipstick, the brush. Nope, that's all of them. So yeah, that's my thoughts on my glam bag this month. Thanks for watching.